In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your old Telegram account. So if you lost your Telegram account and you're looking to recover it, then there's a few possible reasons why you lost your Telegram account and also how to recover it. So one reason why you lost it was because you were inactive in your Telegram account, not like you're not using Telegram for about 6 months. Then Telegram will automatically delete those accounts that are inactive for about 6 months. And yeah, they do that because to free space and security reasons, something like that. So if you had that happen to you, you can contact support and tell them that you didn't mean to be this inactive. So you can just type in Telegram support in Google or any browser, and then you'll see it, the first link, and over here you can describe your problem here. And yeah, that's one reason. Another reason, you probably changed your phone number. Since Telegram relies on phone numbers to sign in, you probably lost your SIM card or changed your phone number. So that means you can't log into that Telegram account that you had before with that phone number. So this means someone else who has that phone number would probably be able to log into your account and see all your contacts. So it's a good idea to actually contact support and ask them to delete that account or do something about that, not allowing others to see your personal contacts. And that's about it. Every other problem, just contact support, and Telegram should be able to help you, hopefully. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.